Let's discuss about designing a website. To design a website, what is needed to design a website or to own a website? We need four things to design a website. One is a domain name, second, hosting, third, theme, and fourth one is SSL certificate. Let's discuss about all these 4 points. A domain name. A domain name is like an address, is an address to your website on internet. For example, let's see the real world. In the real world, if you want to start a business, what you will do first? First thing is you will have a address for that business so that people will come to the address, or you need to register a name. So in the digital world also you need some address that we call it as domain. The terminology here is the domain in the digital world. For example, my website, the domain name is the the domain is the Hyderabad.in. This is the domain of my website. And if Amazon, so Amazon.in, Amazon.com, those are all the addresses. Those are all we called it as domain. So the first thing we need is to build a website is a domain. And second one is hosting. So in the real world. So once you take the address, what is the second thing you need? You need some space for that business. Space means where you can put your products, where you can put all your certificates, or some office furniture. So to put all those things, to dump your products or something, so you need some space in the real world, some office space in the real world. But in the digital world, that we called it as hosting. Hosting is a space provided by the web hosting providers in their service server. So what it will do is, in the hosting we can put your website, we can launch your website, we can keep your images, videos, content, and everything in that space. That we called it as hosting. And the third one is the theme. So after, in the real world, after you took the address, after you have the space, office space, after you take the office space, what is the next thing you will do? You will design interior, you will do some interior design for that office space. For example, if you have a business, if you have a restaurant business, so the interior design will be like a restaurant. Some tables and with the chairs, dining tables and chairs, and napkins and spoons, forks, glasses, plates, and all the walls will be decorated with the food items provided by your restaurant, available in your restaurant, something like that. If it is a school, okay, or university or college, then the interior design will be like all the classes, all the room should be with one blackboard and benches or chairs where student can sit, and one chair or table for the lecturer or teacher. In the restaurant business, you can't change the interior like how a school will be having. In the restaurant business, you can't put a blackboard and chairs, the students chairs, that and all. Yeah, there are few restaurants, theme restaurants, that is totally different, but basically restaurant interior design will be different and the school interior will be different, and some other business will be different, right? Based on your business, you need to design your space. The same thing in digital world, the interior designing, that part we call it as theme. The theme is the overall look and feel and style of your website, the color and the theme, style, elements, and plugins, what all you need, that is called the theme. It is just a template of the interior work of your website. And the fourth thing is SSL. SSL full form is Secure Socket Layer. In the real world, once you are ready with entire business space, name, and interior designing and everything, the next thing you need is some certification. If it is a food related business, you need some certificate. If it is some overseas, you are exporting something, then you need some other certificates to prove the authenticity of your business or permissions to feel secured, some whatever it may be, you need some certificate. Same like that, the SSL is like a secured certificate, secure socket layer for your business. What exactly it will do is, just for your understanding, I'm explaining this one. So the if you have this secure socket layer certificate for your website, what we will do is, now people, there are if it is a school related business, right? So what it will do is, people need to fill the form to register, or to register for admission of their children. They need to fill the form like their name, parent name, child name, their address, their age, or some other details. There are all personal details. Now wherever we see, we find the scammers, hackers, everywhere we are seeing that one. So what will happen if these people will give all these valuable or important or personal information? There are chances of theft for that information. People will get that information illegally. So to avoid that, this SSL certificate, what it will do is, once if I am a parent, okay, and the school is somewhere in Odisha, I will fill the form sitting in Delhi. Okay. So I will give my name, my child name, and age, and address, all the details. Once I fill the form, it should reach the server, right? So it will register, it will save in the data of the in the data of the in the server, where the admin can check the details. So once, immediately after I submit all the details will not go in the same direction. So entire data will be divided into different pockets. Okay, different thing, different packets, each in name. For example, my name is Jyotirmai. So J in one pocket, Y in one pocket, E in one pocket. So all in different directions. So it will go in direction, it will go on information, it will go in direction. At the destination, again it will combine and it will give the meaningful information. Whatever I type, it will reflect at the destination. In between, in the middle, if anyone trying to hack that information, they will not, it's all in bits and bytes. They will not get the clear information, they will not get the clarity, they will not the actual information. For example, if it is an e-commerce website, we need to give the debit cards or credit cards or internet, our bank details or something. So there are chances to hack these details. So it will stop all those things, but still people are hacking using some other tools that is totally different. The basic security it will give, the basic security it will get through this SSL certificate. And based on that business and based on the website, we need to get the advanced SSL, advanced security for that website, that is totally different. So now you understood what is domain, what is hosting, what is SSL, and next one is a theme. Theme also we already discussed. Sorry, come back to the SSL certificate. We didn't completed that part. For example, if you take the SSL certificate, the website will display information like this. Connection is secure, so that the users or visitors will feel secure and they can open and they can give the information in the form or anything, right? So it will give connection is secure. In case if your website doesn't have the SSL certificate, it will show they show like this. If you have the SSL certificate, it will show the lock symbol. Okay, and if you don't have the SSL certificate, it will not show you that lock symbol, and it will show you like it is not secured. Okay, so and it will show, even though the user is trying to open the website and go through the website, it will display the information like this. your connection to this site isn't secured. So the people will not like to open your website and interact with the website, and which is very danger for your business. So SSL certificate is very very important. Okay, so now you understand what all the things you need to design a website: domain, hosting, theme, and SSL. But from where you should purchase and how to purchase. There are few websites from where you can purchase all these things like GoDaddy, Hostinger, Big Rock, and there are many websites. Generally, people will go with the GoDaddy or Hostinger. I purchase everything from GoDaddy or Hostinger. So I'm going to show you the process how to purchase these things from that. And from any website, the process will be almost same. So the first thing is you need to sign up with this website. So it's a free sign up, like how you can sign up to the Amazon. But later, if you want to purchase anything, then you need to pay the pay for that product. You need to pay some amount to purchase that product. In the same way, this GoDaddy, it is a free login. But later, if you want to purchase, you need to pay something. So sign up freely, and you will find the domains, or if you may find the search bar and type your desired domain. So what exactly the name of the website you need, what is the letters you are looking for, just type if it is available or not. For example, BBC or some Amazon.com, it's already taken. So you can't, once it is taken, you can't register with the same name. You need to search for the different name. So first check if it is available or not. If it is not available, it will show you some alternative options. If it is available, you can purchase. And one more thing, now I am showing this page and you are seeing all these options. And one important thing is these people, they change the design and options very frequently. Okay, don't look for the exact page in that GoDaddy or Hostinger, whatever it may be. Just check for the option only. Now it is showing this page, the look and feel, color, and everything is like that. But when you open, it may be different. Just check for the option only. Now, first thing is the domain. You need to look for the domain. Check for the domain option and type your required letters here. For example, I want to purchase online markets. I want to design a website and the domain I need is online markets. Let me check if it is available. Online markets. I want this domain. When I type this one, it searched and it is already taken. Actually, it is my old website. So I still has that domain, and now I have crashed that website. I no more need that website. I have designed some other website. So it is showing. I just checked if what it shows. It is showing onlinemarkets.in is already taken. Now the domain is online markets and you can purchase a domain with any extension. The extensions are .in, .com, .xyz, .live, .shop. There are many different websites. When I learned the website designing, there are only 2 to 3 extensions like .in, .com. That's it. And .net, .in, .com, .net. That's it. Either we need to purchase .in or .com or .net. Now there are hundreds of extension. So whatever the extension you need, based on that, you based on your business and website and your country, you can select that extension. Now I am trying for online markets.in. It is already taken. So it is showing some alternative of that domain. These are online market pro.in or online markets.xyz. These are all the domains are available now. That's why it is showing online markets dot store, online markets dot online, online markets dot live. There are still more domains with different extensions are available, and the cost also online market pro.in, the cost of this domain is 149 rupees for 2 years. Later it will increase. Maybe later it will increase to 599, that is 600, or they may increase little more. We don't know. For 2 years, the cost will be 149 rupees. Online markets.xyz 99 rupees, like that. You select the domain, and if you don't like this domain, try with different names and check if it is available. Okay, so now if you like the domain and extension, click on add to cart and check what is the cost. So now for the 2 years with 37% off, it is showing 749 rupees. First year is 149 and 2 plus years, second year it is 599. So it gave only offer for first year. So the total cost is 749. 48 rupees. So now we will check what is the cost uh, to create a website. That also we are going to calculate. So now the domain cost is 448, approximately 800 rupees. The next is hosting. Domain is over. So next is we need to purchase a space, that is hosting. So click search for the hosting option in the GoDaddy and click on the hosting. Okay, and it will show you different packages, so basic, deluxe, ultimate and e-commerce, and there are few more also, it is not displayed here. So basic means the basic website. So for you, for portfolio website or for anything, you can go with the basic. So, and if you want little more bigger website, if you need little more space, then you can go for the deluxe. If you want more space, then ultimate. If you want to design an e-commerce site like Amazon, then you need very big space in the digital world. So for that the cost will be 1139. So it is a little older PPT, so the cost is like that. So don't go with that. Now check by your own. Open the GoDaddy and now check what is the cost, present cost of this basic, deluxe, ultimate and e-commerce. Okay, and check, and you can calculate that one. So let's see the difference. What is the difference between basic, deluxe, ultimate and e-commerce? What are the features are available here? What options they are giving? Let's check this. So first, basic is we can design only one website. In deluxe we can design one website. For ultimate, I think ultimate also we can design one website. In e-commerce also we can design one website. But what is the difference? Here they are giving basic 30 GB storage they are giving. 30 GB storage is enough as of now. Have you ever noticed what is the space given for your Gmail ID? If you know, fine. If you don't know, what you can do is just open the Gmail, click on inbox, or just scroll down the scroll bar till the end and check down. You will find the storage. The maximum storage given by the Gmail is 15 GB, and for that 15 GB, we are using the Gmail for years, and the 30 GB is double the Gmail space you already got, right? So this is more than enough as of now. Later, if you need more space, at that stage, you can upgrade the hosting. You can go to the ultimate, you can go to the e-commerce level, or you can take any level. You can purchase more space later. So at this moment, 30 GB is fine. For ultimate, it is 75. For deluxe, it is 75 GB, and for ultimate unlimited storage, and for e-commerce also unlimited storage. For ultimate they are giving free SSL. Next is we need to purchase the SSL. So here for deluxe no need to purchase, they are giving free of cost. And e-commerce also SSL certificate comes with free of cost. For basic we need to purchase the SSL. There are few more things. Free domain they are giving. So first 1 year free domain means it is not free totally forever. Only for first year they will give the domain for free of cost, and for this from the second year you need to pay for renewal amount. And free business email also for first year, and that also with less GB. And check how much GB. If you click on this question mark, you will able to check how much GB they are providing, how much space they are providing, right? So now purchase the basic one, and click on add to cart, and let's check what is the cost for 2 years. Generally I purchase for 2 years, it the cost is around 4205 and 52 pies. So domain, and hosting also cost is, note it down somewhere. Let's calculate. And the third one is SSL. We need to purchase a theme. After purchasing the SSL, we will come to the theme. So check for the WordPress SSL, because you are going to design a website in WordPress. Check for WordPress SSL option in the GoDaddy. Okay, and click on WordPress SSL. Okay, and again you will see different options. So it will protect one site. It's the basic one. To protect one site, the cost of the SSL is 293.25 per month, and protect multiple sites 472.42, and 1649, and 500 for some other website, right? So for you, I suggest you to take 293 basic one, because you are learning and your portfolio website is a basic one. If you want to design for later, after you learn how to design a website, after you practice, and if you want to get the projects for website designing for the clients, you can take little more secure based on the client's business and their website. You can go with the next level of SSL certificate. But as of now, the basic one for your portfolio website is enough. Let's see the cost. The basic one, standard SSL. They are different, as I already told you, there are different levels of SSL certificate. Deluxe SSL and premium SSL. If you want more security, then you need to go for the advanced level of security level. If users are using their debit card, credit card, or any bank details, then you need to provide more security for your website. At that time, you can take this one 9541 or something, or more advanced version of SSL. Right now, for the basic SSL, the cost for 2 years for one website is 7,038 rupees. This is for 2 years. So for 1 year, from around 3,500 something. This is what here they are showing, right? Okay. Now add to cart and check what is the price. And the third one we need is the theme. Check for the WordPress themes option in the GoDaddy, and you can purchase the themes from here also, no problem. But I suggest you to purchase the WordPress theme from Theme Forest. Okay, so why means here you will get for lesser price. Not only that, you will get different varieties of themes based on your business and website, what type of website you need. Just you can see the search bar here. So here just type your category of your business. For example, if you are designing a website for a restaurant business, just type here restaurant business. Or if you are designing a website for a school, just type school or education or anything, and check how many number of themes you will get. Okay, based on your website, you can select the theme. And it is a one time purchase, lifetime purchase. No need to pay anything every year or renew anything. So once you purchase, that's it, download and upload to your website, and you will get it for the lifetime. And if you want a professional look, you can purchase from here. Anyhow, once you purchase the domain and hosting, you will get few free themes. Anyhow, you can work with that free themes for your website. But if you want a professional look, you need to purchase a theme. See, for the gardening, there is separate theme. For small business, some stoning. For logistics and cargo business, there is different theme. Theme is nothing but interior designing. So based on your website, you need to purchase. It is like a template, and you need to fix in your website. There are hundreds and thousands of themes you will find. Now we will calculate what is the total cost to launch a website. Okay, domain name, to purchase a domain name approximately 800 rupees. To purchase hosting 4500 approximate, and to purchase SSL certificate 3500 approximate. And this SSL, uh, before COVID, yeah, same cost, and after COVID, GoDaddy and few more agencies has given SSL certificate for free of cost. So we didn't purchase, even for my website also I didn't purchase this SSL. But now again from this year starting again, they changed all these options and we need to pay for SSL also. But before purchasing all these details, check with different websites, hosting, Big Rock, GoDaddy, and I forgot there are a lot more websites. Check if anybody is giving SSL for free of cost, go for that one only. Because every year we need to pay this much, 3500 is little costly. So check the options and check the offers. As per that you can purchase all these things from that website. Okay, so and next one is theme is approximately it is 4000 to 500. So overall cost to design a website is 12,000 approximate. If you are going to design your website, then this is a cost approximate. But if you hire a designer or a website developer like me, so for a website developer like me, definitely my charges will start from 50,000. If you hire a little um, less experienced person, so they may charge you 20 to 25,000, or even less also. People will interns will come with 10,000 for 10,000. 10,000 is also, if you think for 10,000 someone is designing your website, 10,000 plus 12,000, total 22,000. To design a website you need to spend 22,000. If you are designing, you need to spend 12,000. What if I tell you I am going to train you, or I am going to tell you I will make you to design a website with zero cost? Yes, you are going to design your portfolio website without spending a single penny, without spending even 1 rupee. You are going to design your free portfolio website. Okay, first you are going to experiment, design, and on free websites, total your portfolio websites, and then we will go to the paid website. I will tell you what is the difference between free website and the paid website. Once we pay all these things and get, it will become a paid website, right? What are the features available in paid websites, and what are the extra things you can get, extra security you can get in the paid website? That and all the differences are also I will tell you. And the look and feel, I have some websites, I will show you the admin part of those websites also. Okay, so hope you understood this topic, and in our next video we both are going to design a free website. Be ready with the content. Thank you.